loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a vlog style DIY set up my Christmas tree with me type of video. So if you want to get to the DIY, the trendy giant bow DIY, fast forward to this number right here. And if you want to see how I decorated my trees, then fast forward to that one right here. But if you just want to hang out with me, just keep watching. A little life update. I just got back from Mexico. I was there for a wedding and it was wonderful. But at the same time, my mom is visiting for the holidays. I'm not gonna lie, it has been really hard balancing the channel, my work, and the business, and just life. But I love my channel. I love this channel. I love creating, and I have to make it work. So you guys just gotta please bear with me. Sometimes I feel like I'm a little half-assing it, but not really, because it's still really hard. But I just don't feel like I'm doing things to the max, because this time around, you know, I have a business. The first time around, I had just moved here and I didn't have a job. So I was full-time. I was like going hard. I have so much time to do everything. And now I have to work with the time that I have. Plus I have 2 cats that are very needy. So, see? But I'm gonna make this happen. My goal right now is to make enough money on my channel so I can pay for an editor. Yeah, once I have that, my life will be easier, because goodness gracious. Oh my God, ¿qué tú quieres? Go. Go. Jeez Louise. So I basically have 3 children and a husband. Yeah. So what you're gonna see in this video is me trying to just balance everything out. I'm trying to do the bulk of this video while I still have to entertain my mom, and I promised my daughter that I was gonna take her to see Wicked. So I'm trying to do the bulk of the work during the day, during the afternoon, so I can get to the movie theater at 5:30. And yeah, there is not enough time in the world for me to get everything done. But like I said, I'm gonna make it work. I'm so excited about decorating this year. Right now, I'm waiting on our skinny Christmas tree delivery. This year's Christmas decor is a little unexpected. I usually stick to classic Christmas decor, but I saw this inspo picture with these trendy giant bows and I fell in love with them. I'm coming. Give me a second. I'm sure you know that bows are everywhere this year. Everywhere you turn is bows, bows, bows. Seriously. And I hate to follow the crowd, but I just couldn't resist. I'm not gonna lie. I've been having my eyes on this for a little while. At the same time, I'm a bit afraid that I'm not going to like the end result. I mean, I am confident in my abilities, but you know, sometimes what you see is not always what you get. So we shall see. Happy cat, happy life. Okay, I'll leave you alone. Good, Rosie. There's no stopping her. She's gonna eat. Alright guys, so this year I am thinking about putting multiple trees in the house. That is a big deal for me because I hate bringing things out and putting them away. I usually just never decorate like I would want to, just because I just don't have the time for it, and putting things up always falls on me. All the time. My husband and my daughter, they help a little bit, but most of the time I do the bulk of the work. So that's why I don't do too much. But this year, you know what? I'm going all out. My mom is in town and I want to make things a little more festive. So I'm thinking I'm placing our old tree back there. And then I bought a skinny tree that I'm going to place here in the entryway. And I might just place something up there where the plant is. Maybe. I'll think about it. I'll see how I feel. But yeah, so that's the plan. And I'm excited about it. I need to tidy up a bit because it's a little messy. Okay, this is now the kitty corner because they can take over. I don't know about you guys, but I cannot start my day without cleaning up first. I mean, right now it's pretty decent, so I can get started. What you doing? Okay, let's make these giant bows. They are honestly so easy to make. I know I say that about everything, but they are really easy. You can obviously make your bows any size you want, but here are the measurements for the ones I made. One thing to consider is the size of the bows. You should make the bows as big as the room that you're going to have it in. If your space is not so big, consider making smaller bows. I learned the hard way, and now you don't have to. Make sure not to throw away any scrap material. You're going to need it to pull the foam together. Hot glue together a piece of material to cover the middle of the bow. Made one to use for all three of my bows. And you're basically doing the same for the bow's tail. Only difference is that you're going to make it a lot wider. You can use a 260 balloon, a rubber band, or extra fabric to attach the top of the bow to the tail or the tail to the top of the bow. And that's it. It's so easy, like I said, right? I wanted to do something a bit different, so I decided to make the tail of the bottom bow longer for a little drama. To do, but I have to eat 3:12 and I have not had breakfast. Can you believe that? If I don't throw things away, nobody does. Why? Why? Decided on tortillas, eggs, maple bacon, and some avocados. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, go ahead, baby. You do things as normal, baby. You do things as normal when I'm taping. You don't want it anymore? I mean, your strawberries have mold on it. Those are grandma's? Yeah. See? Yeah, go ahead. Give me the Louisiana sauce. That's all I need. That's all I need. Thank you, ma'am. Yes. Before I resume, I am going to sit on the couch. No shame in my game.
Perfectly what food out is not just enjoy. I want to switch this a bit of pressure.
But if there's no deadline, I mean, we could be doing this for the next 6
Can I have a napkin, honey?
Debating back and forth between venues.
Yeah. I put too much hot sauce. My booty's gonna hurt.
Does not want to have that conversation.
Okay. Colin keeps bringing it up, and with it feeling like it's Colin versus my family. My parents
Yeah,
will
show it to the
always be
camera.
my.
You know how to
So,
eat all that rice.
one of the things that I'm picking up on
will?
is that you are feeling the pressure.
Girl,
Yeah.
where's the
And so
ketchup?
Jalen is the closest
You
to
want
her
ketchup?
parents, and she's your
Right for
fiance.
that.
Therefore, I'm having this conversation with them. It's margarita time.
So good. We are out. We gotta finish the tree. Gotta get my husband to do the lights. Vámonos por acá porque está menos frío. Go this way, baby. Alright, so now we're gonna head home so my husband can put lights on our old tree because that one didn't come with lights, so we gotta put it on, and I never do. Actually, Khalees and he do that every year. I wash my hands with that. It's not that cold.
That's fine.
Oh, I think the festival is over.
Look at what you can walk down there and see what is over
It's
there.
done. Look, the tents are gone.
Look at the Christmas trees already up.
Yeah, those two, Wicked and Wicked for Good. So yeah.
Good. Was Ariana Grande good?
Yeah, she was good.
That's come on. Did you understand the whole movie?
I'm mad because I had to nag about the Christmas lights. But Mama always gets her way, so whatever.
This is going to be another sequel.
I don't know if there's gonna be another sequel. As I'm editing this video, I am shaking my head on how, although they do this every year, they are like a hot mess right now. And I cut a lot of it out. They're all tangled up, and although this is not my job, I end up doing it anyway. You know what? I think vlogging is going to be good therapy for me. I mean, at this point, for all of us. Wow. Let's call it a day. It looks kind of funky. I mean, you can technically do this all day and you can never get it all the way right, so it's good enough for now. So this is the main tree. We used to place it right here at the fireplace, but it's been taken over by the cats. And it's just a lot, you know? It's a lot going on over there, so I started placing it here last year, and I kind of like it. I used 260 balloons to attach the bows to the tree. The tree skirt is also velvet. I will tag it and put the information in the description box in case you're interested. I used a combo of velvet and glitter ornaments and crystals for pop. I tried other ways to decor around the 3 bows, and this was the final. When it comes down to it, the less the better when you have that many bows. Now and place the other tree right here. This tree is it. I am enjoying it. It was so easy to put together. It doesn't weigh much. And although it's not as full as the other one, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. I mean, what else do you need? The less, the better. Even with the decor, look how pretty it is. This is kind of like a minimalist tree, a minimalist decor. I love it. I love it more than the other one. Can you believe that? So if you're thinking about trying this bow trend, room size, occasion, and bow size matter 100%. What I learned is that sometimes the inspo picture looks amazing, but you have to adapt it to the space. That's kind of where I'm at in life right now. Figuring out how to take the things I love, creating, decorating this channel, and make them work in the season I'm in right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts on the bow trend. Is this something that you're going to do? Are you over it? What do you think? Let me know. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe, and until next time, bye.